Welcome everybody to a boring video of putting up a blind. Now, a blind is very hard for me to put up. I have never really done it before. And to make it even worse, it says I have to hacksaw it into position to get the, the right width. So there's the instructions of hell. Ignore my floorboards because I'm decorating, so you don't need to say anything about them really. Anyway, look, you get these bits there, yeah, and whatever. So it tells you to do the width, window, and all this and that. So what I've done, I've already prepared myself up there. Look, newly painted window as well, window frame. So I've got one there and one there, yeah, the brackets that they tell you to put up. So I've done that in preparation for it. Then it tells you got to put this bit into that side there. That goes into that side there. See that little knobble thing in the middle? You measure it up, put it onto the bracket like that, and then you get this one for the other side, and you get some screws to put them up. I've already done that. And then this bit here, that goes on the window frame after you've put it up. There's the blind. Now they're saying that you use a hacksaw or whatever to cut it, so I thought of a better idea. We'll see if it works. Right, what I thought of was using this saw. It is I got it from B&Q years ago when I was first doing laminate flooring, but it said it can do metal, cut through metal, and this is metal. And it did work. Look at that. Now, as for the phrase along the edge there, look, there's the other bit. It's just worked. I should have filmed it before, but I was so worried that my idea wouldn't work. So they said to use a hacksaw. I thought, how are you going to use a hacksaw? Even though the metal will do it, but then you've got to cut this fucking thing to be exact. Material. So I put it in there, vim, cut it in half, and I've got my right, well, let's hope I've got the right measurement. So we'll go back upstairs and have a look, shall we? Right, here we go. I've put the end piece on, yeah, where you have to put it onto the thing. Same as the other side, got that one on there. There. And then we've got to put it up here. So let's see how we get on with that. Before I put it in, I've got to slide this bit out somehow. Right, there we go. I've taken out that piece there, so you slide in the thing, put it in there, and then you put that back in there to secure it so it don't fall out. So I thought I'd better mention that. I've put it in place, and now I have to slide that into there like that. Heard it click, that's clicked. And we're happy days here. So how I measured it was, you see, from that bit there. Not from the end, because somebody might make a mistake and actually do it from this end. So I actually put this wheel on and then measured it from there to obviously there. Now we're not complete because we don't know if it's actually working. Oh, we've got one more job. Right, back down here, I've made a little pencil mark here, and so it's 1 centimetre shorter than the actual width, so it'll be actually inside the blind so you don't see it. So let's just cut that. Right, there it is, we've cut that. Not exactly the cleanest of cuts, I must say, but it's inside the blind. Nobody will ever see it. There's the other one, and I've got 2 spare bits there, look now. Anyway, let's go. Right, now we can remove this tape that's holding it together. I shall do that and come back. Seems to be taking ages. Oh, there we go. Anyway, so now that we've got our blind, which is a blinding job, by the way, we can see if it works, which it does. I've put it the wrong way round. The pattern should be that side. Ah, there you go. I've made one mistake, so I'll change it round in a minute. But for now, we'll just see if it's working, and it is. So it's happy days. And the cut, that is what we want to see, really. Can you get much better with a hacksaw? I don't know. I doubt it. I don't know how else you're going to cut it. So Yeah, that's a good job. It's working. And we can put our little, the plastic bit will go through that bit there. And we're job done, so I need to bloody change it round. The blind. Last job to do is to fit this onto your window so that the stringy bit can go up and down, even though we know it's already working, but you need this here. And then it tightens up so you can do your little thing. So let's just put that on. Right, there it is, screwed into place, and we're happy days. We have got a complete job. I have decided to leave it plain. I thought, well, yeah, I'll have a plain blind. I'll have the pattern on the other side. So now if we come over here, we can see, there we go. And the reason for doing it was because of my cinema screen. I needed to blank out the daylight for the cinema screen. So we're happy days. I've watched all of those 5 Christmas films, by the way, which were good watch. So yeah, movie nights and happy days for how to put a blind up. I hope that's helped. Bye bye.